Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and it looks like we have continued back up inside that range, haven't we? Which is very interesting to see. Yesterday we did actually see that Verasity, obviously we put our short position in here at that previous level of support, as resistance here. You can see the price action actually came back down into this area, and if you look on the hourly time frame, you'll actually be able to see pretty much exactly what happened for our the trade that we were in. Obviously our trade got triggered here when we came into this area. It came down, and then when it came back to break back into this area here, we're thinking, because it looks like we are actually retesting that previous level, we've broken through that previous level of support, which was resistance here, but it's been flipped back into support, hasn't it, as you can see here. And we were looking on the hourly time frame yesterday thinking maybe we can actually flip our bias depending on what happens here with this level, this key level at the bottom of this previous range. You can see it was support here, flipped into resistance, and then as it came to resistance here, we took our short. But then when we broke back inside of the range and then came back down here to retest, I'm thinking, okay, if we do hold this level now again as support, I'll probably close my short position at a small loss or break even and put a long position in. And then as you can see, as we came back down to this level here, I actually closed my short position in this area, which was this position here, at around a break even, and I put a long position in because you can see we're back testing and get a heavy rejection off this previous level of support again. It's actually come back and became support once again now that we broke back inside the range. You can see the bottom of the range again holding as support here with a big candle wick rejection at the bottom. So as you can see, we obviously got the bounce here. I put a long position here at around this area here, and then since then we've come into some decent profit, haven't we? And if we look at the daily time frame, you can see that we're getting towards maybe potentially the middle of the range here. This will probably be a profit target for me, in my opinion. We're getting quite close to that area now, so I'd probably say we'd probably taking like half profits in this area and let the rest run, see if it goes all the way up to the top of the range. But right now Verasity looking like, it's having a little bit of relief, isn't it? We're still making lower lows and lower highs, obviously, but right now we are breaking through some key levels of resistance at the very least. You could see here, this level here we talked about very clearly, kind of a descending wedge formation as well, aren't we? Just like a lot of altcoins we're in. We got the breakout and we've actually ran back up inside the range, breaking through a few key resistances. So in the very, very short term, I'm having a little bit of a bullish trend, but I am still bearish over the next few months for Verasity. I'd say that's the short-term price action. We'll probably still come down and make a lower low over the next few months, in my opinion. Mid to long term, though, over the next year, over the next 5 years, I do think that Verasity is going to do very, very well. Definitely going to break its all-time highs, in my opinion, once we get back into a bull market. So for now, Verasity having a bit of relief, isn't it? Just like most cryptos are, being dragged up by Bitcoin. But, I do think sooner rather than later we're going to hit a strong resistance, maybe at the top of the range here, and get a big rejection and continuation probably to the downside. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.